After a fire or storm, most owners think, I can handle this myself. How hard can it be? Hi, I'm Misty with Insurance Claim Recovery Support Public Adjusters, and that single sentence has cost policyholders millions. DIY claims start with optimism, but they end with exhaustion. You're juggling contractors, spreadsheets, insurance forms, and phone calls, all while trying to run your own business or rebuild your own life. We've seen owners underestimate losses by 30 to 50% and more, missing deadlines they didn't even know existed, or accidentally contradicting themselves in statements. None of this is intentional. It's just too much for one person to handle. Your insurance company has an entire department of professionals paid to minimize your payouts. You deserve professionals who fight for you. When we step in, we turn a pile of confusion into a clear strategy. Evidence is organized, deadlines are met, settlements are maximized. Contact us now. Insurance companies have experts working for them. You should too.